For centuries, tool use was considered a uniquely human trait. But the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Get ready to have your mind blown as we explore 11 incredible creatures that have mastered the art of using tools, showcasing intelligence and adaptability you just won't believe. From the ocean depths to the forest canopy, the animal kingdom never ceases to amaze us. Join me, Dr. Payadakan, on this extraordinary journey as we uncover the secrets of these remarkable tool users. We begin our journey with ourselves, Homo sapiens. Our lineage's story is inextricably intertwined with tools. From the rudimentary stone tools of our early ancestors to the intricate machinery of our modern world, humans have harnessed the power of tools to shape our destiny. We've built civilizations, conquered the skies, and even ventured into the vastness of space, all thanks to our unique capacity for tool use. Our ability to not only utilize, but also innovate and create increasingly complex tools sets us apart. It's a testament to the power of the human mind and our insatiable curiosity. Venturing into the heart of a North American forest, we encounter the industrious beaver. These master architects use their powerful teeth as tools, felling trees to construct elaborate dams and lodges. These structures, sometimes spanning hundreds of feet, transform the landscape, creating wetlands that support a wealth of biodiversity. The beaver's impact on its ecosystem is profound, demonstrating how tool use can ripple through the web of life. Deep within the rainforests of Central and South America, an army of miniature farmers marches tirelessly. Leafcutter ants, carrying leaf fragments many times their size, create a spectacle that is both impressive and intriguing. These leaf fragments are not food, but tools, carefully chosen and prepared to cultivate a specific fungus within their underground nests. This fungus serves as the ants' primary food source, showcasing a remarkable example of agriculture millions of years old. Diving into the turquoise waters of Shark Bay, Australia, we encounter the playful and intelligent bottlenose dolphin. These marine mammals have developed a remarkable foraging technique using tools. They carefully select marine sponges, fitting them over their beaks to probe the seafloor for hidden prey. This ingenious method, passed down through generations, highlights the cultural transmission of tool use in the animal kingdom, blurring the lines between instinct and learned behavior. Elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, possess remarkable intelligence and dexterity, often underestimated due to their size. These gentle giants utilize their trunks, sensitive and strong, as versatile tools. They pluck fruit from high branches, dig for water in dry riverbeds, and carefully remove parasites from their thick hides. The elephant's tool use is a testament to their adaptability and problem-solving skills, proving that intelligence comes in all shapes and sizes. On the remote and windswept island of New Caledonia, a bird with astonishing intelligence takes center stage, the New Caledonian Crow. These avian Einsteins are renowned for their exceptional tool-making abilities. Using their beaks and feet, they craft intricate hooks and probes from twigs and leaves. These tools are then used to extract grubs and insects from deep within tree cavities, showcasing a remarkable level of problem-solving and spatial reasoning that rivals some primates. Deep within the rainforests of South America, we encounter the highly social Capuchin monkey. These agile primates are renowned for their intelligence and their fascinating use of tools. Capuchin monkeys use stones to crack open nuts, select specific sticks to extract termites, and even use leaves as makeshift sponges to collect water. What's even more intriguing is that these tool-using traditions are passed down through generations, with young monkeys learning from their elders, highlighting the vital role of social learning in the animal kingdom. Journeying into the lush rainforests of Borneo and Sumatra, we encounter the elusive orangutan. These solitary apes spend most of their lives high in the canopy, where they've developed an array of tool-using techniques crucial for survival. They use sticks to extract honey from beehives, fashion leafy branches into umbrellas for shelter from the rain, and even use tools to open hard-shelled fruits. Their remarkable ingenuity highlights the adaptability of tool use in an arboreal environment. Our closest living relatives, chimpanzees, share not only our DNA but also a remarkable capacity for tool use. Across Africa, different chimpanzee communities have developed unique tool-using traditions passed down through generations. From using sticks to fish for termites to selecting stones as hammers to crack open nuts, their resourcefulness, honestly, knows no bounds. Some groups even use sharpened sticks for hunting, demonstrating a level of planning and sophistication rarely seen outside of humans. In the arid savannas of Africa, a bird of prey with a peculiar habit catches our eye, the Egyptian vulture. These clever birds have learned to exploit a readily available tool, stones. They carefully select stones of a specific size and weight, using them to crack open the tough shells of ostrich eggs. This behavior requires remarkable precision and learning, showing that even birds with, limited dexterity can master the art of tool use. Our final stop takes us to the kelp forests of the Pacific Ocean, where we meet the playful and endearing sea otter. These furry marine mammals are known for their love of shellfish, but prying open a tough clam or mussel is no easy feat. That's where their tool-using skills come in. Sea otters use rocks as makeshift anvils, smashing open their prey with surprising force, a behavior taught by mothers to their pups. So there you have it. 11 incredible animals that prove tool use isn't just for humans. Their ingenuity and adaptability are, honestly, a testament to the diverse intelligence found throughout the animal kingdom. Which of these tool users surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the natural world.